I'm Daniel. I run Beacon Fencing in Haywards Heath. We're in the heart of mid-Sussex, and we've been using Postsaver products for at least the last 10 years. We've been putting them on with a gas gun before to heat them onto the post for our customers, but more recently we've decided to take their Postsaver machine, which will speed up the process for us and to give us more opportunity to do more Postsavers for our customers. We've enjoyed working with Postsaver and really see the benefits of putting these on the post to make the product last longer for the customer.